or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana. Welcome to Oxford Street, Osu. Today we are going to exploit the night market street food in Osu. Come with me and let's explore it. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. Come with me and let's go and explore Osu. Let's go, guys. Beef and a chicken. Beef, pizza, chicken, liver intestine. Okay. Sounds about 5 cities, so mommy 3. Guys, this kebabs looks yummy. I wish you are here to enjoy with us. Guys, anytime you are in Accra, come to Osu Night Market and enjoy some delicious kebab. He's adding more spices to our kebab, guys, to make it more extra yummy. Guys, look. Oh, wow. Let's give it a try. It's so delicious, guys. Really, really, the spices on it. Wow. But not the pussy about no man and I'm so chicken so bad. Chicken, I'm on baby with me. Yeah, when I have your friend, hello. Now your chicken. Type of summer do you have here? Only chicken, right? Okay. Now I really want to have. Better to see this one. He's making our shawarma and it looks delicious like the one we buy in Europe. Thank you so much. Guys, the shawarma is so delicious. Wow, the flavors in it's so delicious. 17 years. Well done. It's a very busy street and people are really enjoying themselves here. This grilled tilapia, it's so delicious. Just say the spices on the tilapia and yagro said the hasia shamono. It's really going to taste delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Check out on this plate all these goodies here. Whoa, we are going to dig in to enjoy. Come with me and let's buy pancakes. This is Osu by night and new street food, and we really want to eat some pancakes. It's very important. There is a lot of food, or variety of food in Osu, and we are standing in front of a pancake joint. It's a big pancake, guys. Also, it's very busy by night. Friday crowd is very, very special. Wow.
So when are you doing this? Then the toppings. So when we do it like this, the other candies that you would like to choose if you want. If you don't want it, you just
I should be your fork.
yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Now the moments of truth, guys. Where the pancakes in Osu, straight in Osu. Let's give it a try. Very yummy. When you come to Osu, there are so many to eat. Yam fries, my daughter's favorite. It goes with pepper dip, but my daughters love to enjoy it just like this. We had a lovely time. Thank you so much for coming with me. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. By the way, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family, leave me a comment below because your comment means a lot to me. Expect more amazing videos. Bye bye, adios, kiss kiss.